train where I always feel so low. Well, I'm going down to the train where I always feel so low. Well, everybody's saying bye-bye to their babies as they go. Then I'm going to Mississippi, where Robert Johnson plays the Delta Blues. Well, I'm going to Mississippi, where Robert Johnson played them Delta Blues. Then his best friend Willie Brown, he played them blues also. Take it now, Bill. Train where everybody feels so low. Well, I'm going down, going down to the train. Well, I'm going down so low, everybody sees a baby as they go.